Hi, this is Rahedin Hussain and welcome to our Farming X tutorial video. In this video, I will teach you how you can create Microsoft Outlook account. So let's start. To create Microsoft account, first you have to go create tab and then select Outlook create. Here you can check, then go to setting, and if you want here click verification service and click temp mail API. Here you need to temp mail API our server. When you get the purchase package, I will provide you API. You have to put here. After putting the API, you can go with proxy network VPN, our open VPN configuration. Otherwise, you can go with your valid proxy, powerful proxy you can use here. Okay, then here click the random country you can select, and then okay. After the setting done, you have to go under device section. Here you can select your all device and then go group, and after clicking the group list, go Outlook and then press start. Okay, with some time the system will start creating. Our system getting start. Before start it connecting VPN. Okay, let's wait for creating. As you can see guys, here some account created successfully. Now it use a recovery email unless API provider is wrong. Look, the software adding recovery mail. Now it wait for code. That's it guys. You can see the code received. Now it will enter the code and click OK. Okay, that's it guys. Thanks for watching the video. I hope we'll meet soon.